we are making my Big Mama Maggie's famous vanilla ice cream. I used to visit my Big Mama in Winona, Mississippi, and every summer she would make this, and I'm talking old school, over the stove, making that custard. I would watch her whisk it until it was absolutely smooth and perfect and rich, and then she would add it to one of those old school ice cream makers. You know, the ones with the ice and you had to churn it by arm. I mean, that is about as classic and old school and Southern as it gets. And this recipe has been in my family for decades, and now I'm gonna share it with you. In a pot, you're going to add your heavy cream and your half and half. We're gonna warm that up gently. We're not trying to boil it. Just get it nice and steamy. Then in a separate bowl, you're gonna crack your eggs and whisk them till they're nice and smooth. Then slowly add in your sugar a little at a time. We're not trying to rush, y'all. Let that sweetness just ease in. Now here's the part that trips folks up, the tempering. Slowly pour in about maybe a cup of that warm milk mixture while whisking super fast. That will bring the eggs up to temperature without turning them into scrambled eggs. We ain't trying to make breakfast, y'all. Once that's mixed, pour it all back into a pot and stir on medium heat. Don't walk away. Keep moving it until it hits about 170. You'll know it's right when it looks silky and smooth. Then turn off the heat and whisk in your vanilla paste and your extract. Simple but essential. I add both because I want vanilla throughout this whole thing. Now grab a clean bowl, set it in a bigger bowl filled with ice, and then pour your custard in. And then finally, it's time to pour it into your ice cream maker and let it do its thing. As you can see, I mean, this is absolutely rich and it's still really soft. You don't have to worry about scooping this out. It is going to stay nice and soft and tender and just like perfectly scoopable for days. You know how sometimes you make ice cream and it can get super icy? This is not that texture at all. You are gonna get this nice scoopable texture every single time. So let's try it, y'all. Let's try it. This is so good. Just to share a quick story with you, I asked my Big Mama how to make this recipe. This was a few years before she passed away. And of course, if you talk to any Southerner, they won't tell you measurements. So she was like, baby, add this much sugar, add a little bit of that, and make sure you add a pinch of flour. Like, she was telling me all types of stuff. So at least for a year, I spent like all that time trying to figure out exactly how to make it. And then I sent her some, I made her some when I was there, and she absolutely loved it. And it was pretty spot on. So this is about as perfect as a recipe as it can get. And I'm sure my Big Mama is proud. As soon as you make it, she will feel proud of you too. Enjoy.